In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Woocommerce Plugin manually. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can keep your store running smoothly with the latest features and security fixes. First, open your WordPress website in your browser and sign in so you can access the dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This takes you to the Plugins area where all installed plugins are listed. Next, click Installed Plugins to view the full list. Here, you'll see every plugin currently on your site. Your goal is to locate WooCommerce in this list. If your site has many plugins, it may take a moment to spot it, and that's completely normal. Take your time and make sure you found the correct plugin. Once you've found WooCommerce, look to the left of its name for a small checkbox. Click that checkbox to select WooCommerce. This tells WordPress that this is the plugin you want to act on. If you don't see an update notice under WooCommerce, it may already be up to date, and that's okay. The process is the same, but the update action will only apply if an update is available. Now, scroll to the top of the page so you can access the bulk tools. At the top, you'll see a drop-down labeled Bulk Actions. Click the drop-down and select Update. This choice ensures WordPress updates the selected plugin, in this case, WooCommerce. After selecting Update, click the Apply button right next to it. WordPress will now begin updating WooCommerce. You'll see a brief progress screen or messages indicating the update is underway. Avoid closing the browser tab or navigating away until it finishes. When the update completes, you should see a confirmation message that WooCommerce was updated successfully, and the plugin row may display the new version number. If the option to update didn't appear, that typically means there's no update available at the moment. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has the right permissions, give the process a moment if your connection is slow, and try to perform updates during a quiet period on your site to minimize impact on visitors. It's also normal for the page to refresh or briefly show maintenance messages during the update. That's it. You opened your WordPress site, went to Plugins, opened Installed Plugins, located WooCommerce, selected it, chose Update under Bulk Actions, and clicked Apply. You've successfully updated WooCommerce manually. Thanks for watching, and keep your store secure and up to date.